everyone, I'm doing an unboxing from TEMU. Let's do this together. You guys, you know that I'm in preparation for my wedding, so you're gonna see a lot of things for the decoration and for the wedding. So yeah, let me open with you guys this way. Let's do this quick as possible, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, guys, and let me know what you like on this TEMU haul. This is a haul, yeah? It's a big haul because the bag is like this, the bag, guys. And we have a second bag, okay? So we have a lot of stuff to open. Let's do this together. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Number one, got this. Yeah. This, guys, is for the bubbles, okay? For the bubbles when coming out from the church or from the civic ceremony. So yeah, from a Mary, okay. So yeah, this is I think it's a good one because it have this attached in. Normally, others we always have to get the solution and then you blow. But this one is attached. I think I'm gonna get more of this. So that is very easy. I like the design. I like the design and it's a battery one. Yeah, I have to open here to put some battery. So that's number one. Okay, we put aside. Other things that we got. I got this fabric. This is for the decoration, for the church decoration. Wow, this is a fabric. So I'm gonna decorate the benches, the church benches. So it's like that, yeah. It's a white fabric, and you can see it's a see-through. Yeah, so that's for the decoration, the church decoration, guys. So we go ahead and get some false flowers, okay? Yeah, we have some false flowers to decorate the church, and I like how they are because they look natural. They look natural. They feel a little bit plastic, but it's okay. It's okay. It's one day ceremony, so yeah. So this is how it's gonna be. I'm gonna put this in the benches like this. So it's also good for the car decoration. You can also decorate the car. You can also decorate the benches. So yeah, hope that you can see me properly, guys. Yeah, so these are like this. There are several of them inside here. So yeah, it's like that. So that's the flowers. Yeah, the decoration of the flowers. So that one, we got another one. We got some more flowers, guys. Yeah, more flower here. So yeah, those ones are almost the same, but they have a little bit goldish because our theme is gold and white, okay? So we have a white and gold. We have white and gold. So yeah, this is a bit peachy, about a little bit goldish. So yeah, this is how they are. Let me open one so that you can see how they are inside. Yeah, they are like this, and I like they have the ribbon so you can attach somewhere. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, so they're like this. I like how they are, so I have to figure out on the decoration about with this. Okay, so yeah, wedding bells. Okay, so it's like this. I put it aside. I'll put it aside here. So yeah, there are seven of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 of them, so I have to get away with that. Another thing we got, wow, this one. This one is for the rings. I got this one. It's for the rings. We carry the rings. Yeah, it's like this. It's a cutie. Wow, shiny. Like that. So to put the ring inside here, and then we carry the rings, okay? We have a ring boy who is Ethan. Yeah, so yeah, this is the ring box. And then what else we have? Some things here. These ones are good stuff for all the ladies who gonna be having high heels and the sharp high heel. This gonna help them when we go to the grounds where this with the grass. yeah, this gonna be helpful to put the heel and then be able to walk properly, like this with this small heel protector. Okay, so that's the heel cannot go inside the ground, in the ground. Okay, so there are several of them here, so that's a good one, I thought, for my guests, for my ready guests. Yeah, I also have something here. Wow, look what I got, guys. Look what I got. This one is some emergency kit. Okay, wow, I'm gonna put several things that I need that day here. You can see we have one for the bride and one for the groom. Okay, I didn't forget the groom. Okay, so we're gonna put some emergency things that we need to have over inside here. So yeah, I like that for both of us. So that's done. Another thing I got is this carpet. This is what is making this bag to be big. Is a carpet, guys. Wow, it's like this. It's a carpet. It's a goldish carpet. Let me open so that I can see the color, because I can see yellowish, but not yellow. It's gold. Gold. Okay, it's gold. It's not easy to open. Okay, yeah, it has several protections. So yeah, wow, it's like this. It's good. It's a good color because it's not that, wow, it's not easy to open, guys. Not easy to open, and I want this video to be quick. So it's like this, and it's gold, guys. It's gold. Hello gold, hello gold. Yeah, it's like this. I like how it is because I'm gonna see whether I'll decorate 6 meters, I think 6 meters of this. So I'm gonna see whether I decorate the church with it, or I decorate the reception where we're gonna take some pictures. So I'm gonna see about that. And then we also have one more thing in this box. One more thing in this box. Hope that I didn't forget. Yeah, one more this in this box. We have a box, a black box, and I don't know what's there. I can't remember what I ordered here. This, how does this go in? Okay. Well protected. It's well protected because I have some spongy things inside. Wow, guys, let's see it together. Let's see what's this. Oh, okay. Wow, this is what we got. Mr. and Mrs. Wow, it's cute. You guys, let me know, what do you think? Wow, yes, this is a good one because I saw something like this, some glasses like this, and I do want them to be very sharp. So this is the best that I got from TEMU, guys, and yeah, affordable and good quality. You can hear good quality, guys. Wow, SMR. Okay, and I like how it is. So I have to be careful not to break. Okay, and wow, we have this, 2 of them, the knife. Wow, this color, gold, guys, gold color here. Okay, yeah, so these are for the cake, for the wedding cake. And yeah, I like how it is. So let me know. Okay, this one was here. No, the knife the knife was here. Good. And the serving spoon was here. This is amazing. I'm really happy. I'm really happy that we got this. That I got this because yeah, it's very good because I didn't want it to be very expensive with this, and this is affordable. Yeah, and well protected here. Yeah, well protected. So well protected like that. Okay, in the box. In the box. So yeah, let's go to the second box, guys. Let's see what is in this box. Wow, these are some clothes. Oh, okay, maybe it's for the honeymoon. Okay. Yeah, this, let me see. I don't know even what I ordered. I can't even remember, guys. I'm doing a lot of orders, so I don't even know. This is like, Wow, it's a cutie dress. It's a cutie dress with a back. I'm gonna try this, and then I'll let you. I'm gonna post a video on this when I'm trying. Okay, I really like. It's like a crochet. It's a crochet one, and I like the texture. I like the texture. Doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. It feel quality. Feel quality, guys. Okay, so that's number one. That's mine. So I have another yellow cloth here. Let me see what is this, guys. Let's see what is this. Okay. Wow, this is a dress. Okay, it's a dress. Wow, another bag. Wow, I like how it is. I'm gonna try this, guys. I'm gonna film myself wearing this, and then you're gonna see how it fits. Okay, hope that fits me properly. I like the color. Wow, I like the color yellow. Yeah. To change, because I always have white, a lot of white. So let's continue. We have this is to protect the brush and the paste. Put the brush and the paste inside here, and yeah, it's well protected for the brush. Okay, because I don't want to put my brush on aluminium or something, because I have one which is not very plastic, and this is practic, guys, for the brush. Okay, and I think this is only, I need €1 or something. Okay, so yeah, that's that. We have another bag here, guys. Let's see what's here. These are the some shorts like this. I have 7 of them. Wow, this red one, what? I like it. I'm gonna wear this, and then I'll let you know how it fits. Okay, I took this in size M. Okay, yeah, hope that's gonna fit me properly. I have a gray one and a black one. Okay, we never go back with the black. Okay. Yeah, so they're like this at the back, and in front is just pure like this. I like the details. They have some details here. They have some details, you can see, to hold your berry. Okay, wow, I didn't remember. I couldn't remember that I ordered this. Okay, wow, we have a last bag. Okay, we have one more bag here. Let me see what's this. Let's open together, guys. See what's this. Something black. Wow, I remember this. These are some body. Yes, to hold the body. Wow, I like how they feel. They're stretchy. They're like this. I'm gonna wear them so that you can see how it fits. I'm in size M. I got size M here, size M, and yeah, they're like this. You can see it's like a panty there, and then a hook, some hook with 3 different sizes there. So it's like this. Hope that's gonna snatch me, guys. Hope they're gonna snatch me. I'm gonna try that also. I have black one, a brown one. Like myself, a brown one. Okay, a brown one like this. I like the color, and it's the same thing. And yeah, the stitch is stretchy. Okay, hope that's stretchy very well. That's gonna fit me. And we have this nude. Okay, and the nude one. Add the nude one, guys. Okay, so this is my my order from TEMU. You guys, I decided to try TEMU again, because I wasn't disappointed last time I ordered in TEMU. So the great things. Okay, let me try this, guys, and then I post. I'm gonna add the video of me trying the dress and all this all this order that I ordered, so that you can see how it fit, guys. Okay, and thank you very much for subscribing, guys. You can see we are on our way to 200,000 subscribers. Don't forget to give me a comment down below. Let me know whether you have ordered something in TEMU. Have you ever been disappointed? Okay, like down here, let's communicate over there. Okay, and thank you very much for everyone who has subscribed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. This is very great. And yeah, and welcome to the wedding. Okay, yeah, you can see we are in the preparation. And pray for me, guys, because I need to be stress-free. Okay, pray for me, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. I'm gonna be posting the video in this